No man, we not talk to you today. Hello. I am not talking to you today and you're not even getting nothing from me today. And I'm serious because I'm not supposed to come here and see you this dirty. Do you know that I'm coming here today? Huh? Do you know that I'm coming here today?
Yes,
Do you have on that shirt from the last time we came here? The same shade shirt you're wearing. So you know what? You know what? We're gonna do the same thing like we do with Mr. Dennis. No food bag, nothing at all. Nothing at all. Because you know better than that. You know so we're coming and you know so you're supposed to be there and look clean. So why you have on the same dirty clothes? Kitty, I'm here to talk to you now. So you know you are on punishment for wearing dirty clothes. So nothing for you today. Anything we carry for you, we're taking it back home.
You take home, you take home.
No. That's not how we do it, Kitty. You realize that when we went up by Mr. Dennis the other day and Mr. Dennis in the bed and Mr. Dennis want the body, you know what Mr. Dennis did?
Eh?
The other day we went up by Mr. Dennis and I told him that I wasn't giving him any bag unless he shower. And what Mr. Dennis did? Alright. So you go and find yourself and go bed. I have clothes in the car for you. You go and get a shower and fix up yourself and clean off yourself. Oh, you mean you're tired of bed? So you're turned. Oh, you mean you're tired of bed? So what about the parish tank? Right, so you go and bed today before you get anything from me. And I'm serious. You know something I laugh? So why would you bathe and put on the same dirty clothes, Kitty? I have a shirt, but you have to bathe before you get the shirt. I don't care. I want to see you bathe again because you have on dirty clothes. So why you don't go up to the parish tank and bathe?
That's why I'm sorry.
Alright, so we can all walk up there and get your shower. And maybe bring a suit of clothes for you, right? No, we're going to go up there. So I'm going up there, up by Nalisha and come back. And then we go bed.
Yeah, accounting for Dennis.
No, I don't have anything for Dennis.
Oh God, we're not taking it.
The same time when?
When we are up there.
I don't know about that. I'm disappointed in you, Kitty. I expect you come see you clean and nice. Same shirt you're wearing from when?
Eh?
Same shirt you're wearing from when?
Sure, I win. I don't know I'm gonna Friday on Thursday. From Friday gone.
From Friday or yesterday?
Friday.
Eh?
More so I'll be on.
That's 1 week ago?
I'll be bring the morning to the man must wash you too. Remember.
Kitty, what you say now make no sense. Me can't bother with you.
I can't remember, brother.